Hello friend, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to start a new session. It's about the JavaScript conditional statement. In JavaScript, they have the multiple conditions like as the if-else condition, switch case, and the ternary operator. So everything step by step I will show you. Let's start it with the if-else condition. Okay, so right now I want to do to better make it as a clean, and I put some of the note for you that in our this section name as a conditional. Okay, conditional statement. Okay, conditional statements. So into this conditional statement, what exactly we have to do? Like first of all, I want to discuss about that if-else condition. Into the if-else condition area, first of all, you have to add one of the if condition, and here that will be one of the condition. Okay, I name it as a condition, like as a condition 1. And after that, we have to add one of the statement in here. Okay, statements in here. So then that will be one of the statement in particular that position. So whatever the condition you will be want to add, this condition will be in here, and then that will be our statement, what exactly that result you want to display. Okay, and after that, there is another one as else if. Okay, I make it as a else if condition, and there that will be the same. Here that will be one of the condition, that will be here one of the condition, and also that will be another statement in here. Okay, so I make it as a condition 2. And also if you want to add another else if condition, that will be just like that same. Here I simply paste it. There is another else if condition, that will be as a condition 3. And for this condition 3, this statement will be displayed in here. Okay, and after that, if you want to make another else if, you can add it, rather than you can also make it as a else. Okay, so that will be another else. I hope friend you understand that part. Like if you want to add another condition, so that will be our first condition. It will be check that first condition is perfectly okay or not, or rather than it will be go to that another step with the else if condition, and then that will be our another second condition. This second condition related statement will be loaded in here, and another, if you want to add another condition, that will be another condition, and this condition related, that means the condition 3 related statement will be loaded in here, and else it will be do another work. So that is the like as a looping. First of all, it will be check first condition, second condition, third condition, and then our last condition. Better I want to display that things with one of the live example. Right now I want to make it as a comment out. Okay, with the control and then slash, then automatically that will be totally comment out. So you can see a line by line everything is comment out. Great. And now I want to do, first of all, I want to put one of the variable with this let and name it as a number, and number I make it as a 0. Okay, for education purpose, I take one of the value as a 0. I take this 0 value in our this variable, that is our number variable, right friend? I hope you already know about that part. And now I want to find out some of the positive results, some of the, that means the positive value and the negative value, and also I want to apply the another condition that will be equal our 0, then that will be display another message. So we can actually do that work with using one of the condition. Like I want to do, first of all, I want to add one of the if condition. Okay, into this if condition area, what exactly you have to do? So here that will be one of the condition, right? And this condition related statement will be visible in here. You can say I have already put this condition, that is one of the condition, and then that will be our statement. So now I want to put one of the condition, that is our number value as a 0. So when our number is greater than 0, then I want to display some of the message. Okay, so that means in our console log, into the console log area, I want to display some of the message on the string value. Okay, I want to display some of the string value as a this is a positive number. Okay, this is a positive number. Great. Here that is our let number. I take one of the variable, I just put that value as a 0. So now if this is a greater than the 0, so better I want to make it as a 10. Okay, that is 10 value, one of the positive number. So when that will be greater than, that means this number when it will be greater than the 0, then if this that is a positive number, then that will be displayed as a positive. Okay, so now if you click as a save all, and now that should be display one of the our this text. Yes, you can see it's now showing as a this is a positive number. So now I want to make another condition. Okay, I want to take another condition with the else if. So that will be just like that same. I want to add that another else. Okay, else and then if, and into this else if condition here we can add that one of the condition, and also here we want to display our this message. Okay, now I simply paste it, and I want to put another condition. I simply put another condition. I make it as a less than, and less than with the like as a minus value. Okay, that will be one of the minus value. If you want to make it as a minus, then that will be display our this message as this is the negative number. Okay, I make it as a negative number. So in our project we will do a lot of work with this. I simply paste it, and now if you go click as a refresh, yes, you can see it's now display as a, this is the negative number. Okay, now that is actually our negative number. And now if you want to comparison with the 0, then that will be another else, right? That will be as else. Into this else area I want to display this type of the message in our console log, and this is 0 number. Okay, I make it as a 0 number. That means when our this number will be as a 0, but I want to now make it as a 0. And now that should be display which one. Now that will be not display because that is not appropriate, that is also not appropriate. Now that should be display our this one. And now if you click as a save all, and now if you go click as a refresh, you can see it's now showing as a this is a 0 number. Okay, so with this we get that our all that condition, that is our if condition and then else if condition. So that will be our condition area. Just simply understand that part, if and then else if, or rather than the else. Okay, and into this else area here we have to add any conditions. Later we will add multiple condition in here. That is our condition name, there is a condition name, and that will be our statement value. So now you can see it's now display our this statement value as a this is the 0 number. Great. So simple work. Just simply understand these main core things. Okay, in our if condition area here we have to add all that our condition, and that will be our statement. And then if you want to add another one, that will be else if, and then the condition 2 statement, condition 3 statement, and else, that will be our rest work. So that is a pretty much simple things. In our next video I'm going to discuss about that switch case, how can working with this. I will show you that things with the live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.